Right, another job. We're doing another soakaway. This one's a little bit different. We normally dig them down. Let me just show you. So this one, we're going to do it 4 crates, so just a metre by a metre and then down. But we've dug and it's all bedrock at bottom. So we've stopped digging, and what we're going to do is we dug another metre that way. So what we're going to do is just do one. So 1, 2, 3, you know, one high. And then we're going to fill bottom in a minute with gravel. And then we're going to come, land goes up a bit here, we're going into this corner here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be about here with pipe, and then that'll give us the drop. I've already worked it out. I think there's about, I think there's an 8-inch drop from here to there, which is, I think it worked out about 1 in 70, 1 in 80, something like that. So it's enough. And then we're gonna use the pipe just to get us by these flags, and then we've got some land drain with holes in from there to here to give it a bit more of a, so it can soak outwards as well before it gets to the tank. So that's the idea. Remember that there that I built a couple of years back, 4 year ago I think, and we did all sills and stuff. This had that right nice. Look how nice render is still. It's 4 years old this, and rendered all sills and that, if you can remember. And then it all got rendered fully along back to there. So I think I put, you can just see straight joint there, look, on that pipe there, look. So that's where I bonded it in, look, and then it went straight up there. So that what new bit, and then that what old bit, and then we did all roof. It were a massive job this, like. I think I were on it about a year. I was doing this in lockdown on my own, building it, and then Tim came and got roofing with us. Pretty good that, innit? Still looks well nice. But yeah, it's the one that we did all herringbone flooring and everything, we did all inside. Oh, still herringbone floor, wood flooring. Right, anyway, let's crack on with this. I feel like I'm whispering this morning. We've been right quiet here. Yeah, we're just using this pathway, so we're not marking up grass, look. So this is where we're going to be digging channels, so this is where we're walking with barrow. So when we barrowed it all out, we're just walking the same footpath, then we don't damage grass, because we could cut over there and make it shorter, but grass would be a right mess. Right, let's get this out. Oh, I've got some G-Tech stuff for geofibre. They don't really. I get texts when I do these soakaways, and they say, "Oh, what do you use? We only get one and it's white." But to be fair, it doesn't really matter what you use as long as you've got the a blanket round it, so stones don't come in, and the material is the material that lets water in and out. You know, lets water through, and then you're good then. You don't really, you can use the stuff that they supply, but I mean, I ordered this from MKM, and this is what they send, because this is what they got. I ordered from a few different firms, and it's slightly different stuff, but it all works exactly the same. It don't really matter, as long as it lets water out, you're fine, and it don't let all stones in, because we're going to be packing down with stones in a bit. So we've just got a baser. Sorry, we've been put with. Me and Tim's been really poorly lately, that's why we haven't really been making videos. We only just come back. Yesterday we couldn't even record because we were that ill.
I'm still a bit rough, it's only my eyes now.
Yeah, Josh has got away with it a bit. He was rough other day, do it with his belly, but that was something completely different. But yeah, you can see it. Can you see brown stuff there? So that brown ring there, that's bedrock. So it's pointless going. You can't go any further down. It has got a bit of sand in, like rock and sand, so it will soak, but you're better off doing it long ways instead of stacking it up, because soaking through that it ain't going to do it as much as it will this way. So we've got this down, and then Josh is just unwrapping. Oh, unwrap fabric, Josh. It's fabric we want, mate.
Yeah.
And we're just going to put fabric down, and then we haven't dug this yet. there's a reason for that, because we've brought soil in skip. So what we're going to do is we're going to get us crates in, and there's going to be quite a bit to fill up with soil on top. So we're going to use soil from this into there, then we're not barring it all the way back from skip in. That's the idea anyway. Yeah, it should be a big sheet. See what it's like. Well, I think I'm going to wrap, we're going to wrap it round as pipe as well, I think. The other sheet, I've got 2 sheets of this. Hopefully one sheet will do this, if not we can use the other one for other and save a strip for round pipes.
This sheet's massive. I'm not even done unwrapping it now.
Yeah, I know. It's quite thick, isn't it? It is good stuff, like. Oh, the thickness of it, it's really thick. These crates, they've got holes in top, look, that's where your pipe goes. So we'll put these to the top, and then we can hit any one of these then. Sits lovely with a base of gravel on it, and then it sits down nicely on gravel. No, wrong way. Oh yeah.
You know, yeah, that way.
Yeah, it's lower at one end, look.
Yeah, nine at other.
other.
All depends where you want them, innit?
Them other ones want, I'm sure what's same size.
Yeah, you're on about them other crates.
That's pretty much it, and then we just wrap it in then. That's it, then we'll get some stone on top then. Just get it in and kick it all that side as well. Fill it all up. Right, we've got that covered. Dug that out to there, and then this soil now is going to go in here, then we can dig this channel out. Sort of dug it, but needs a bit more out to get us levels yet. Bends off there, so straight pipe will go here. I tried to make it so we had at least flags as possible to take up. That's why I've got a bend down there with that other stuff. So what we're going to do is, did you find that tape? No. When I get some tape, I'm going to roll the pipe in the textile. Gotta find it though first. Tim's just finishing off that little bit down there, but we're going to have to level it through yet. I'll go into that. There's an old drain there, but it's just totally bunged up all the way down. Like I've shoved my arm down it and it's just caked. It's just like, oh, way look. It's an old, I don't even know where it goes, to be fair. So anyway, we're going to discard that, or just concrete that bit up and then put us a new one in. That's his bottle for end. Right, just put it to edge like that and then we'll roll it in. Josh, put it to edge like that and then roll it in. Grab middle. Yeah, and then roll pipe. Yeah, that'll do it. Then we'll just cut that off and tape it. Just tape it rough, because when weight's on it, it's going to hold it anyway. Well, the weather's come out lovely, said it we're going to chuck it down. Put the sun's out. Best we've had all year. Just cut them off with a knife. There we go, and then we'll do it again, do alt pipe. Right, you two can carry on with that if you want, and I'll have a look at. Just put that in at that end, and then I've already used laser light that's on the table, but yeah, we've got like a fall on it. Look, it don't really matter too much about fall as long as it is falling. I've just got a bit of gravel under here, so we'll gravel right sides of that, and then that's where the other pipe will go in. I'm just going to make sure that it's dropping footrest of it, because that pipe bends all over. It's not nice and straight like that. These are easier to level, so these ones we need steady gradual fall. So that's on bottom at the soil there. That's saying near enough level, so it needs to come back. I need to take a bit out there, and then it drops a lot here, 2 inch there, and then should have a massive drop here, like. Then we've got a good 4 inch there, so if I just scrape back from there, we should be good, I reckon. Be able to get it in, stone it up, but I need to just take this little bit out here. Got a rubber bung on this end, lot, and then that'll go into that and bung that up. We're not bothered if it drips out a bit or if we get a bit of a leak on it. It don't really matter, because that's where we want it soaking out anyway, and this pipe's got holes in to soak, so you don't have to worry too much about this end, because we want it to start soaking here and down there anyway. And I'll have to cut into that in a minute. Just tip a little bit in. Yeah. Don't matter if you miss or kick in. Bad laser level in them. I'm just gonna put the actual level in and make sure it's going down as well. Yeah.
Nice.
Hopefully this time. Oh yeah, lovely jubbly.
Yeah, you only got about another.
Huh?
You only got about another 2 foot to go, mate.
Let's have a look. How far am I in there? I am quite far there.
Are you?
Huh?
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might have to cut a bit more off then.
Well, I'm going to leave that end and I'll cut that end. It's going to be easier.
Right.
I think I've got about 8 inch, 9 inch in there. It doesn't want to go anymore, and it's sort of stuck where it is, so bonus. And then that'll just go over it.
Question is, Mark, are you happy with it?
I'm always happy, Tim. Always happy. There we go. And then I'll just test it again before we're level before we. Pass that grinder, Josh, again.
Sorted.
Yeah, just level it flush, and then we'll should be able to whack it down a bit. Put grass, might put grass a little bit higher because I think it'll sink a little on these. Pebbles are nearly in. Few more to go, and we're there. So that is it. We've got it done. When you go up there, it looks, the grass is all over. Like, we've tried as best. We've levelled it because we're there. So leveled it with each side, but it looks as though it's in a big dip. But whether it was at the start, I can't remember. But that's not us, that's just muck where it's gone on. So we've just done this line here. It'll grow back. And then that's his channel. And then we've had a bit of time, so we've just been cleaning path up and pointing some at path up as well while we've had air for day. These are ones that we've put back in. And then we've done a bit of pointing right back and all, like, just to finish day off, because I had 3 days in for this. So see it like it looks as though it's dipped there, but it ain't, because we've only got that little square in the middle, so it must have already been. Who knows? But yeah, done as best for it, so it's all working alright. Oh, I've got a trap at this end as well. I got this on camera, so I've just got a trap there, and then I've just cut pipe so it fits in, so it goes into like a trap. So you can take pipe off and then pull all the leaves out if it ever gets blocked up. Well, that is it. Another little job done. So we are on to the next one. Probably start that paving, I reckon. My brother's been wanting, it's for my brother, like, so he's been wanting me to do that for a long time. I've been keeping his job on the back burner, like, just in case you run out of work, then you've got something to do. But we need to get it done for him, so we'll get it done. Got a few jobs coming in, a couple of stud walls, some other stuff. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one. So if you're not subscribed and you like it, subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.